Hi, welcome to Audio's Playtime, and today we are going to open some Sun and Moon Gardens Rising booster packs, and these are the ones that are on the front cover. This one has Alolan Vulpix on the front cover. This one has Taco Coco on the front cover. First, let's open Alolan Vulpix pack.
Alright. We got these at GameStop.
Yeah.
And they get 25% off if you are a Pro member. This weekend only.
Alright, we opened them. Now we're gonna open the pack. Got the pack out.
Alright.
Wait. This is the code card. This is for you guys.
Let's see. Hold on. Don't move.
It's for you. And I think it's 4.
Four.
And the 4.
Yeah.
Whoa, we did it right!
Okay.
We did it right because you have to be the energy in the front.
Okay,
got
ready?
Fairy energy. Our Tarapus.
Sun.
Sunny. Metang. Don't have a Metang. Hackmo-o.
Come on.
Nosepass. Tato. Rockruff. Goomy. Slowpoke. Another Slowpoke.
And
Goomy!
reverse Rockruff. And
whoa!
what's that?
A shiny,
Chandelier.
a hollow chandelier.
Okay, not bad.
And then for you guys.
Okay.
But we got 2 shiny cards.
Yep,
And
not bad.
And
Rockruff and Rockruff. Okay, cool.
And Slowpoke. I hope we get a GX now that there's Apple Coco on the
Alright. Hopefully we get GX or something good. This Taco Coco.
Apple Coco. Okay, then. Wait. I just saw something.
Okay, you're doing the trick first?
Oh, yeah.
And the card, the
Cool card for you.
hold on, don't move. There we go.
Yeah, fire energy.
Okay, show us. Yeah, I can't see it, buddy. You have to lay it out. There we go.
Whoa! Fire energy slow, bro. Rewind.
Ooh,
Bro.
we don't have that.
Brooklyn Hill. Beware.
Ooh, we don't have a Beware.
Wait a second. Wait. We just got this thing once to land.
No, man.
Oh, we did. So landed. Those past. Halo.
Another Rockruff. Or are you
Goomy.
pointing at something? What is that? A Vikavolt.
Vikavolt.
Full art. That's a full art. Hollow Vikavolt. That is super awesome. Dude, let's see. Move it around so we can shake it around so we can see the hologram.
Roar.
Ooh, look at that. A Vikavolt GX. Woo, got lucky again today. We only bought 2 booster packs and we got 1 GX card out of the 2.
Yeah.
That is awesome.
And the second thing that's exciting, that we know the card trick now.
Yeah.
So
That's awesome. What is the
you
card that came before Vikavolt?
this
Do you remember? Oh, it's a reverse Max Ocean. Alright, buddy.
That's what I was pointing because I see that. Okay, and then
Alright, buddy. So, which one's your favorites from this pull of cards.
I like
Okay, show
slow.
us.
I like slow bro.
Oh yeah, I
and-
love it. We don't have that.
And slow poke because they rewind from each other.
And
See,
rock
the
rough
rocks-
hollow. It's a reverse
rocks up.
hollow. That's pretty
And
cool.
the max explosion and a poster.
Ooh. I'm glad we have a beware now in there too. We don't have that one.
Wait.
Somewhere in there. Beware, I see it right there.
Where? I will beware.
Yeah. We don't have a beware.
Yes, you do.
Now we do. Awesome, buddy. Okay, it's cool. We got a GX card. It's awesome, right?
And I was hoping and I just said on this when we were gonna open this, I said I hope we get a GX card, and we did.
We got one. You left the lucky hand, and it was the one you picked from the store, the Tapu Coco
Oh,
package. Awesome.
it's so awesome.
All right, buddy. Okay. So
Alright.
that was a good one, right?
Yeah,
That's a
and
good
when
book,
we
right?
get the elite trainer box, we need to put this in the sleeve.
All right. We don't have sleeves. We don't have sleeves. Well, we have our binder where we can put our stuff.
I forgot to tell you that
Oh, that was another one.
that I like. Chandelier.
All right, we like
These
shiny
are the
stuff.
shiny cards that we got. Wait, there more? What?
Yeah. So we got this 25% off of GameStop.
What?
I think Best Buy has some another
Guys,
25% off of the
We have
Pokemon.
two rock
Only for
ruffs.
this week.
Oh my gosh, we have three rock
Three
ruffs.
rock ruffs.
And they're the same picture, but one is shiny.
Shine. Okay, buddy. That was great, right? Awesome. We got
Bye!
it. Bye.
And these are the shiny cards that we got.
Okay.
And bye-bye.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Okay, till next time.
See you next time.